Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to explore what serializer method field is. Before we talk about serializer method field, I would like to rather ask ourselves, like, what are the purposes of using serializer method field? Why would we even use serializer method field in the first place? So once we understand the purpose of using serializer method field, I think it will then become quite easy to understand, or quite easy for us to choose when to use this method field and when not to. Well, I will definitely show you that. Bear with me, please. And I think I should show you my model and serializer quickly so that you can understand it better. So this is my model. I have a supply model. It has like name, code, address, and credit score. And I have also, I have already written this serializer, quite straightforward model serializer. And this model serializer is going to serialize those fields for me, and including this ID. So ID and those 4 fields, the 5 fields, and this is going to be rendered on the web. So once I hit this API point, and this is gonna give me those 5 expected properties. Okay. And so yeah, so that's my supplier list, as you can see. And this supplier list has, each item has like one property called like credit score, and it is like 10, 20, 30, and 40, as you can see. But let's say now I have to add an additional field. Okay, and how can I do that? Let's say I want to have an additional field named as rank. Okay, and that rank should be calculating this credit score for us and give us a result. Like if the credit score is like less than 20, it should be saying poor, and if it is above 20, then it should be saying like excellent or like good or something. So how can I do that? How can I add that additional field? Okay, I do not add that additional field. I don't add that field over here, like in model, like rank equal to model dot char field, something like that. No, I don't want to do that. What I want to do, I want to have like an additional field, and I want to do like this, like rank equal to like this. Okay. So since you this is an additional field, it has to be serialized. So we're gonna use serializer method field. Okay, and this rank has to be included over here. But is this it? No, it's not. I'm gonna show you, but you have to bear with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say def, because once you have that extra field, that additional field over here, you have to write a method at the bottom. You can write anywhere, but preferably people write it at the bottom. So this rank, and you say def, the first argument is going to be self, and then object. Okay, so what is object? This object is the model. Okay, so this supplier is actually this object. Okay, and then you say, so what is our calculation? Our calculation is like if object, the supplier dot, so that is the credit score, right? So if object dot credit score equal to or like greater than 20 or above 20, then you should return like good. And if it's not, then else you say you can say like return like poor, something like that. Okay, so yeah, is it gonna work? No, it's not gonna work yet, because this serializer method field doesn't even know like he has to use this. Well, even this property name get masked, but this serializer method field does not or would not recognize this definition. So what you have to do, you have to say like this, like get underscore and then the name of this property. Once you do that, you save it, and once you refresh this, look at the magic, and it is saying the rank is poor because it is 10, and you say the rank is good because the credit score is 40. So it is working as expected. Okay, so that's the serializer method field. So serializer method field is going to serialize a field for you, and that field is going to refer a method. So that's the reason why it is called serializer method field. Okay, but that's not it, guys. There are like a couple of ways you can achieve that additional field into your serializer class. If you stay in this video, if you follow along, if you continue to watch this video, then you might be able to understand. So let me show you the other ways. Okay, so what you can do, I can copy this. Okay, and I can kind of comment out. I can say I don't know, use serializer method field. Okay, I'm gonna say read only field, and what I can do, I can go back to this model, and over here I think I can do like this. Okay, I don't want that object, and let's say you can say self. Okay, and since you written this code snippet inside this model, all you have to do, you have to say property. Okay, and now you save it. If you save it, and yeah, I think okay, I think I have to get rid of this get thing as well. So yeah, and now if I save it, if I refresh it, and it is still giving me this rank thing dynamically. Okay, so yeah, so that's serializer method field, and another way of doing or adding an additional field into your serializer. So that is it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel. I'm coming with some more videos in near future. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Tata.